Ever wondered if you can breeze through checkout at Walmart using OnePay? Let's find out. In this quick guide, we'll show you exactly how to use OnePay for your Walmart purchases, both online and in-store. First, if you're shopping online via the Walmart website or app, you'll need to initiate your checkout process as usual. Once you reach the payment section, look for the option to add a new payment method or select from existing payment types. You should see OnePay listed as a payment partner. Tap on it to proceed. Here, you'll be guided to link your existing OnePay account. This usually involves either signing into your OnePay account directly or entering your OnePay details to authorize the connection. Once your OnePay account is successfully linked, you can select it as your preferred payment method for your current Walmart order. Now, for in-store purchases, the process is just as smooth. Make sure you have your OnePay app open and ready. Head to the checkout counter, and when it's time to pay, simply select OnePay as your payment option within the OnePay app. The cashier will then scan the payment QR code displayed on your phone. A confirmation will appear on both your phone and the cashier's screen, completing your transaction with OnePay. And that's it. Using OnePay at Walmart is a convenient way to manage your payments.